I recently came across a master's thesis on crowdfunding, and it basically dealt with evaluation because I wanted to understand a little bit more what kind of evaluation concepts are there. And while reading this thesis, I found out that professional investors are basically looking at, in a ranking, the top 3 things which they are looking into. It seems to be the motivation of the management. That's the highest priority. Second one is the personality of the key persons. And the third most important seems to be the USP. While I read that, I also thought about this, and this is probably pretty much the same for me. So the first impression of the promoters, are they sympathetic? Are they open? Do they know what they are talking about, as long as I can even judge it? What is the experience? How is the composition of the team? How does the team work together? That's probably, for me, the most important thing. Then, of course, do I understand the business? Do I understand the value proposition? What is the USP like? Is it practical or is it theoretical? Certainly also, do they have expert support, either from the, let's say, FunderNation side, or do they have an advisory board which helps them to take the right decisions? But certainly, at what stage? Is it just a business idea, or is it already kind of advanced? Is already a product, a minimum viable product available? Competition questions, licensing questions. What about SWOT? And more importantly, what are the answers?